good afternoon. An impromptu ride out. We're supposed to be going over to Brew Sprocket near Nut End. But a mate from work was coming over. I was going to take him over there. It turns out he's taken a wrong turn and not sure where he is. I think he's just here. Here we go.
Everywhere he stands, you can't get round, so.
Brew Sprocket closes at 4, so we should be alright.
If we don't just stop for a brew somewhere, after.
Right. Okay. Oh, what a lovely day it's been. Should have tried to get out earlier, but we're out. Like I say, a little ride over to Brew Sprocket. Jolene and Steve are going to meet us over there, but I told them 3:15, and it's going to be about 4:45 when we get there. So on this occasion, it's going to be me that's unfashionably late, and not Jolene and Steve. Alright, so we're just getting to the boring bit, not the motorway, but the dual carriageway which takes us down towards Preston. So we will see you when we get to the other side of Preston. Alright, here we are, to the other side of Preston. Just going to head out towards Catforth, Inskip, and then towards Great Eccleston, and then on to the Brew Sprocket, and hopefully get there before it closes at 4, and hopefully not too late that I get too much abuse of Jolene and Steve. So nearly at Brew Sprocket. It is going to be about 1:45 when we get there. Just this is Cartforth Bridge, little tall bridge going over the River Wyre. It's alright, got it. Card. Yeah. Thank you. Right. Well, a bit of a mooch on the way home from Brew Sprocket. I think we'll just go up this road. It's the A588 up towards, well, it takes you all the way to Lancaster, but we'll just go to Cockerham, do a right at Cockerham towards Garstang, and then back down the A6 to Preston and jump on the motorway there. So this is something I don't do very often, and that's going to be riding in the dark. The clocks changed last night and we've misjudged it a little bit. So riding in the dark, and it's just started raining. Right, so we was going to stay on that A588 up to Cockerham, but when you're leading you get the choice of well, we'll try down here or we'll try down there. So I've turned off, and this is the road up towards Nateby. which is just near Garstang. Nice twisty little country lane. So again, we'll just go up here to Garstang and then pick the A6 up. The sky looks a bit dark. I'm guessing it's going to throw it down with rain in a bit. But hopefully be home by then. It's a cracking little route, this. The last time I came up here, it was Tony and myself. We were on the VFRs. Must be about 3 years, or be 3 years this Christmas, because I think it was the 23rd of December. I'm sure it was the day before Christmas Eve, and it was all frosty everywhere. Came this way and went into Bridge 64 for breakfast. So that's been a late start on a ride, but it was nice that Carl and his wife Paula came out and joined us for a little mooch. They'd never been to the Brew Sprocket before, so I think that's one for his bank. And I was a good boy. I was a good boy today. They asked us if we wanted some free ice cream because they're defrosting the freezer tomorrow, and I resisted, but the rest of the pigs stuffed their faces with Walling's ice cream. What's this flashing red? Hey up, what's this? Little shop. Never knew that were there. Bridge 64 is just here, just at the end here, to the left. A dirty cloud in front. That looks a very dirty cloud, like it's going to drop some nasty stuff. My God, look at this now, absolutely bouncing. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but it's the heavens have certainly opened. I think if I stop to put my waterproofs on, I think it's probably going to get even heavier. So I'm only 20 mile from home, be on the motorway in 5 minutes, maybe just under 10, 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to persevere with the mesh jacket. Well, I'm getting wet. I'm getting very wet. And it ain't that funny. Well, nearly home. But I'll tell you what, it looks like it's put a hell of a lot of rain down here. Anyway, nearly home. Bike away, strip off, hot shower,